Here I am in the historic district of Vegeta in Las Palmas of the Gran Canaria, Canary Islands, and I just found a little second-hand shop. Let's have a look. Pretty interesting. Sauces. Japan. Abacus.
Digo, ¿esto qué vale? Este que está aquí, por ejemplo, así.
Las caracolas valen 2 euros, 1,50.
Ah, esta vale 2 euros cada vez.
It's a mishmash of things.
No, esta una está de verdad.
Have a look at this one.
Y otra de nosotros más pequeñas.
It's cute, but probably not very valuable. Mugs made in England. Carry on. Curtains. Portugal. Teapot looks nice. Poland. Clothes. More shoes. And it is kind of a charity shop, so I guess the prices might be right if we find something. I'll show you later what we end up with. It says men's shirts 2 for €1. That doesn't seem very expensive. Women's clothes, t-shirts, Christmas, this is children's, that doesn't really help. Shane, definitely leaving that. Let's see if I find a future. I only brought back 2 items yesterday from my trip to Las Palmas. This is a oven-proof glass plate from Duralex in France, pretty old. I like to decorate with red and yellow, and a pity that there wasn't more. Then this one I like a lot, really. This is actually Fire King. See if I can zoom in. This is called the Kimberly Diamond pattern. Comes in several colors. It was made between 1960 and 70. This one has the stamp still oven proof, which means it was made in the early 60s. It also comes in mugs, and it is actually pretty rare. You do find it in the United States, but in Europe I have never ever seen one. So I'm pretty happy with that. And the bowls sell for about 10 to 15 euros each. The mugs even around 20 euros. Here we have La Deco Antigüedades, vintage industrial Antigüedades. Let's have a little look. We got silver. Window. White. Here's a mix of things. Ginger jar, some kind of stapler. Silverware. That's a little chopsticks, which I'm also interested in. Dresser table sets. This is pretty. Water urn. This is nice. And bicycle thrown in. Pillow set. Postcards. Here this blown glass vases, very often you see them with a silver plate base. These medical syringes, but they're not particularly old. Pretty salt and pepper. Price, 50 euros. Lampshade, 30 euros for the shade. That's a very cool oil pump. Nice there. Stuff. Alex. Pretty store. Nice variety, but Very many classic antiques, some salt spots. The cupboard is interesting, that might be locally made, this style. That is pretty nice actually. England, transferware, teapot, and it's got the price. A decoration teapot. The lounger is really interesting. Fists. Name of the shop. Take the card with me. These hands. €30. Very often. They are Avon, but this one I'm not sure. It's also in an old neighborhood, this shop. I would like the rustic tables. That's more my kind of thing. And here. Vintage Chanel bag. Price 1,000. Just a little overview of the shop. I think it's pretty. The little bar is interesting. And the desk chair is also really nice. This is a nice old inkwell. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my little field trip. I hope to do many more. I didn't buy a lot, but still I thought it was a very nice trip. Hope to see you next time on Vintage Detective, and please subscribe and comment to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.